January 2015, number 2. Okay, so for the first question, this would be p cube q squared multiplied by p cube 5. You add the powers of the indices. One power is understood here. This is p by p by p by the extra p here by q by q by q 5 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore we have 4 p's, so p to the power of 4, and we have 7 q's, so q to the power of 7, and that will give you a full 2 marks. For this one we find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 5, the lowest common multiple, is 10. So 5 into 10, 2, 2 by a, 2a, 2 into 10, 5, 5 by 3 is 15, 15a, and we add it together and we get 17a over 10, and we stop there. Okay, to factorize a quadratic, we look for the magic numbers that when we multiply the two numbers, we are going to get 4, and when we add the two numbers, we are supposed to get minus 5. So those two numbers will be minus 4 and minus 1. Minus 4 and minus 1. So we put it together, we get x squared minus 4x minus 1x plus 4, and then we factorize by grouping. So we pull out the x and we get x minus 4, and we pull out minus 1, we'll get x minus 4, and then we'll realize that x minus 4 is common to both. So we get x minus 4 by x minus 1, and that will be sufficient to get us the 2 marks. Okay, so this piece here is a difference of squares. So we see we have m squared, and this would be 4n squared would be 2n all squared. So that would be 2n. So it's a difference of squares. So we'll have put a plus in one of the brackets and a minus in the other. Okay, so to remember, to solve an inequality, you only change the direction of the sign if you divide or multiply by a negative number. So everything else we operate like normal. So we carry over the minus 7, so we'll get 3 plus 7. So we'll get 2x is less than or equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2, and since we're dividing by a positive number, we leave the sign the same direction. So we get x is less than or equal to 5. So if x is less than or equal to 5, we're looking at the positive integers, so we'll just count the integers 1, 2, 3, 4, and we include 5 because it's less than or equal to 5. Okay, this question just requires you to substitute, so it's 2 by 3.14 by this multiply by the square root of 0.625 over 10, and you put that in the calculator and you will get 1.57.